Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Femina, and so today here I'm again with another video, and it is a recipe video in which I'll be showing watermelon juice and watermelon milkshake, and both are really very yummy recipe and they are really very refreshing. Yeah, so watermelon is a seasonal fruit that everybody loves, isn't it? It has higher water content and it keeps our body hydrated. So to know the recipe, keep watching the video. So here I'm cutting the watermelon into small pieces and remove the seeds as possible because the juice tastes better when it has those fruit pulps in it. If you add the seeds and then grind everything together and then strain, then you're going to miss out the pulps. So here I've added 1 bowl watermelon cubes and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here sugar is optional, it's up to your choice. And then 2 tablespoons of plain water. And then I'm adding ice cubes, it's again optional. And then I have blended everything together. So here you have an option like you can add mint leaves if you want, but then I didn't add. Instead of that, I'm adding lemon juice. It really gives that tangy sweet taste and it really tastes so good. So here I'm squeezing half lemon juice. And give it a quick mix. So here again I'm cutting the watermelon into small cubes and taking off the seeds. So here goes 1 bowl of watermelon, small cut cubes. And for milkshake, I'm going to add 3 whole tablespoons of sugar because we are going to add milk, so we want it to be sweeter. Here again, sugar is optional. And there goes in 1 whole glass of full fat cream milk. You can also take low fat if you want, but then for the creamier taste, I'm taking full fat cream. So there goes ice cube. Again, it's optional, it's up to you. And then blend everything together. Here it's ready. Just look how it looks, so pretty. Beautiful pink color. Yeah, so I'm transferring it to a glass. And yeah, here watermelon milkshake is ready and it really tastes so yummy. Give it a try, guys. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and give your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.